So welcome to another video, and today you've got to check out this sick G402 that I've made for Artskill. This is the best G402 out there on the planet, and this is what you're going to be doing with it. Cable might fake the weight a bit. At 97 grams. Okay. Right, let's get these feet off. Look at the archaic 402 is inside there. This is an old Logi. There's definitely potential to do it. Look how thick that PCB is now. Now we'll go for KL8s first. We've got a lot to change in here, so which ones? We don't need to change this one because that's coming off. These two are coming off actually as well, because these are some of the buttons we're not keeping. This is a desoldering. Takes out the solder for you. So this is going to have a switch mod. We'll do put KL8s in it. We're going to take out the pre-travel as well. We'll also do weight mod, a paracord, some new skates as well. Old school. Here's a KL8. That's what KL8 looks like. Popular switch at the moment. That's what it sounds like against this side on. This sort of side on sounds like normally. It's not too bad to be fair. KL8. Definitely got a nice click. That's a bit weak, the click. KL8s. It's being updated as we speak. Four switches now. Took off the clutch and the two side ones as well. Problem with this, a bit like the 502, it's difficult to drill the main shell. Probably quite a bit of the base, but because we're way these are built, these style mice, these shapes, it's difficult to take out a lot on the side because of all these components and all the buttons and stuff, so you don't damage them. Right, so this way it looks like the G402. So now we're going to strip off the rubber. That'll be the first task. And then we're going to trim out any excess plastic in here we don't need. So this is what it weighs like. This is what it weighs stock. We'll leave the scroll wheel in because can't bother taking it out because it's a pain to get out. You can see how nasty are these scroll wheels, right? You use this metal bar as the encoder, well, to give you the feel. It's horrible. $29 grams. That's what the side looks like without the rubber. It does make it a little bit thinner. That's what the rubber looks like if you want to. Beating up. Burn, baby, burn. I mean, looks a bit rough at the minute. This bit's been difficult. Took that side off already. Let's get this rear piece off it. Happy days. So yeah, I don't like removing the rubber. It drives me insane. This is what happened. It's 4 grams for that main one, plus that one. 6 grams of rubber. Nice. Time to sand. I've been razor store, man, that's it. Oh man. You can see here, like a bit of a dent in the plastic from Logi. That's just the way it is sometimes under the rubber. It's 28 grams originally out. We'll drill it, I think. $4 grams. You can trim the profile a bit if you really wanted to push it. I think it'd be worth it. They're all gone. Just got thick bases on that 15G. Goodbye. And then we're probably going to take out this little bit, probably this bit, and then this bit here as well. So they add in like extra bits, like this rail here, which is no point in. It's just a bit of a reinforcement, but it's maybe to try and stop the flex, but this thing ain't flexing. I go for these bits, and we keep the body in. Should be okay. Just got to be careful of this post and that post. There we go. The base mod. Nice. It's coming down. We're good anyway. This is the main shell now. Damn man, that's such a messy job. You come out right. I'm going to do the rear. This looks quite nice. I quite like it. I hate the rear on this now. Not bad. About 4 grams out of it, maybe. Right. Let's reweigh this base and then let's make a power cord. I think. Put this beast together. We will never have a shitty cable again. And you have to thread this all the way through. Go. Et voila. These ones will go in the USB connection. And then just run some in the channels. Nearly there now, got a bit of crimping, piece it together, check the weight, happy days. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out my other playlist. There's loads of them for all modded videos, all kinds. And I'll see you in the next video. Catch you later. Bye bye.